how to integrate LinkedIn with Squarespace. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate LinkedIn with Squarespace. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the Squarespace website on your browser. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you want to go into the editor, and once you're on your website, you want to hit edit at the top. Then you want to find a plus icon where we want to add the post, and then we can paste in our code by using this code option. Now we want to go to LinkedIn. Hit the three dots of any post, then click on embed and copy this code. Now you want to go to your website, paste it in the code and make sure it's HTML, and make sure this box is unticked, because if we tick it, the code will be shown. Now we have to save this, and once we've done that, it will be shown in your website. So that's basically how you can integrate LinkedIn with Squarespace. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.